What's up, guys? It's your girl Matt Cox with Couture Crafting, where we discuss all things pop quilture. It's like I'm your quilty BFF. And today we are doing another quilty celebration video, which means I'm kind of interviewing a quilt. And boy, have I got a good one for you. This one is by Judy. No, yes, Judy Woodworth. Judy Woodworth. And this quilt speaks my quilty language. Just wait till you hear the name of this quilt. Very excited to show it to you. The name of this quilt is Gothic Garden. What? Yeah, loving it. I just don't even know. I don't even know how it comes together. I'm looking at it. I want to understand it, but I don't. But let's try. Let's try to get into it a little bit. It's called Gothic Garden. It definitely, with all of this black, gives me Gothic vibes, which is right up my alley. I'm good with that. And then I'm just, as we step back from it, this is as close as I probably could get to it. But as we're just looking at it, we see this beautiful ring of piecing here. And I believe that this is pieced. It could be appliqued though, but I think it is pieced in there. And then you see these beautiful shapes in the corner with this green. The color story is so simple. It seems to have a little lavender here with a little blush, but for the most part, I'd say that this was a peach, pinky kind of green, peach green kind of quilt. Interesting choices on the color. But what really makes this spectacular is all of this thread painting. What we're seeing, the majority of what we're seeing, I think this is either appliqued or pieced. I'm not 100% sure. It says piecing, and then thread painting. So, and this was entered into the large quilts movable machine quilted, which means I believe that she could drive her long arm, or maybe she put it on a cutie or something like that and was driving her machine. But what we're looking at, guys, is pretty much thread painting. And there's just, I want to get into it. I can't even wait. I mean, the colors are cool, but it's really about this thread. I just would love to know what thread comes up this thick. Now, I love to use 12 weight. I haven't used 12 weight in my long arm machine to see what's going to happen, but I do use 12 weight in my regular domestic. I use it in the semi, what is it? My semi-industrial. Oh, I'm just having a moment. Anyway, I use 12 weight thread, which comes up nice and bold. And I think that's about, I mean, I've used pearl cotton in my machine too, but nobody's really doing that. So this might be a technique of going over your area multiple times. I don't know. But how cool is this, that all this is done with thread painting? These green and pink flowers also done with thread painting. I'm not sure if they just freehanded this and just went with it, or if they blocked it out prior and they kind of knew what they wanted to do with it. And if you're looking at this here, the thread change into the black in the back. So the black has a meander that's happening, which is amazing. But the actual work right here, these green flowers and all that, that's all thread, which is just cool. This is such a different kind of quilt. You know, we look at so many quilts and a lot of them are just the same, which is fine. You know, they're similar, but this technique here and the level that they've taken it to is just spectacular. And this center piece here with these big, beautiful swirls and some whimsical shapes, and this actual outline shape of this piece in the center. So cool. So cool. And it breaks off into these rays here. I mean, what can you really say about this? This is a lot of work that went into this. I love the name of it. I love the concept. I love how there's like this nice big piece of space that's broken up here and here and here. And just where we've chosen not to put anything and gone black on black, there were some really serious decisions that were made here, and I'm here for them. I'm going to actually have to look up this artist and see what else they have, because if this is just their style in general, I'm here for it. I love everything about this. I think it's so cool. This is definitely, and if you have any AKAs in your family, they're really going to love that, because their sorority colors are green and pink, and this fits right into that. But I'm telling you guys, just the amount of work that went into this, and the amount of creativity and thought and just I just like it. I just like it. It's something different, and it absolutely deserves to be in this show. When you're walking around and you're seeing a lot of the same piecing, the same patterns and all that kind of stuff, to see something like this, it's pretty awesome. I feel very, very lucky to have seen this in person. And yeah, guys, you guys know what to do. We are going to jump into the comment section. I know this feels like a short one, but I mean, really, what can you say? It's just stunning. It's breathtaking. All right, guys, you know what to do. We are going to jump into the comment section and we are going to love on this quilter. We're going to appreciate that they brought us something different, something amazing, and they shared it with the world. They put it into this competition, and that is a huge hurdle for a lot of us. It's something that we think about doing, but it's kind of like, would I ever really do that? Well, this person did. They brought something new, and I'm really thankful to have been able to see it, and I'm really excited about sharing it with you. So let's jump into the comment section and love all over this quilter. Let's love all over this quilt. Also, if you haven't done so already, please go check out my store. My t-shirts are available. You can get your quilter shirts or your quilters in training or your wannabe quilter shirts or whatever. There's a ton of stuff in my store for all of our pop quilter needs. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Okay, bye-bye.